Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be planting a couple more date palms here in Chandler, Arizona. The crane is on site, as you can tell, ready to go. Dropping the ball down to the trailer where we have our rigger, Hunter Red, starting to uh, tie up the trees with the straps and hook them on up to the crane, giving us signals that he's ready to go. So here we go in just a second to start lifting that tree. One interesting thing to keep in mind is each tree weighs 6,000 pounds, so right around 3 tons. And these trees are being planted inside of this 3-story building in the courtyard area. So from where that crane is sitting, these trees are being moved 115 feet over a 45-foot tall building, so that's quite impressive. This crane's going to have its work cut out for him today. The crane operator and the groundsman are working in unison, having to have one guy inside the courtyard guiding the operator with his cell phone, telling him east and west and north and south, letting him know exactly where that hole is so that we can get this tree planted. As you can tell right there, the bottom of the tree, the root ball starts to wiggle quite a bit to where the owners of the property came out and were getting a little worried about their brand new building getting hit with this huge heavy tree. So the operator was really on his best game today, getting that tree lowered slowly but with very good caution. So here's the tree reaching its final resting spot. The hole is 6 feet by 6 feet by 5 feet deep. We're going to go ahead and add a whole bunch of water and about 4 tons of sand and compact it all in. And that is all we have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please click like and subscribe. And until next time, YouTube, have a great day.